Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about the canva.com, which is a very good place to create brilliant posters. So first we have to log into the site. For that, click on the login button, or else you can also sign up. So since I am a user already, I'm going to log in with Google. So I'll click on my account. In the meantime, it will get login to my account. So once you are logged in, you can see that your profile picture at the corner, as well as the designs that you had previously, it will be there under your designs pane, as well as there will be multiple templates with which you can explore the canva.com. So when you click the question mark icon, you can see there are multiple templates, as well as you can customize and create a design. So first I am going to create a design. I'll show it to you. So these are the multiple designs which are there. So I have opened a new design. So once you click the create design and you select any of the templates, you will get a blank template like this. And first you'll select a background color for that. Next, in case if you have any previous templates, you can just remove the items which are there. So in the elements pane, select one of the some of the elements. So basically I'm going to make a birthday poster. So you can take this as a reference to create one for your friends. So first select something from the elements icon. So for a birthday poster, you will certainly need a birthday cake. And once you start creating a theme, Canva will suggest you with the things that are needed to make the poster. Like it is showing the party hat for me, and many other things it is showing as a suggestion in the elements top. So once you select that, you can just right click and copy and then paste it in the same page, such that it can be made as a design. So you can also use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V when you want to make the movements with multiple elements. So this is all subjective. In case if you want the design to be somewhat different, you can always change the layout that you want. So I am creating a birthday poster with a random pattern, like there will be multiple hats, as well as some birthday papers, so which will help me in creating a poster which is having a celebration mood. So this is done well. Next, go to the next suggestion, which Canva is showing. So it is showing many things for me. So I'll select the party popper. So okay, this will give my poster a very grand look. So once you click this, it will show the maximum size that is available to you. Just place that at your place that you want to see. You can try it at multiple places. If it suits your poster, you can certainly have it. In some cases, you will not this is almost a trial and error method. If in case you don't like that one, you can press the delete button and you can delete this one. For your information, Canva is also available as a mobile app. So in the mobile app, it will be somewhat very tough to edit because the controls are too small. In case if you want to have a mobile app demo also, please leave it in the comments. I will do a video with that. And now I'm just arranging the things, so it is not really very messed up. So next I am going to put a message. So this is somewhat this love you symbol is having a glowing effect in the text, so it will give a nice effect to my happy birthday message. So for that I am just editing that. So this editing the text will be somewhat tricky. In some cases, like this love you one, so it is having some multiple layers. You see the one with the birthday is in the front, as well as the love which is in the back is in another layer. So you have to be careful while editing this, and it will take some time for you to grasp this one. So what I'm trying to do this is I'm trying to make it in a single layer, such that it will be helpful for me, since I have to write the person's name in the next line. So I'm trying to make it a little smaller one. So in case if you want to have 2 layers, it is not at all a problem. You can actually have it. So there will be multiple things at the top. You see at the top there is a toolbar, which is especially for Canva. You can change the size of the text that you have. Whenever you click on an item, it will show whatever the tools that are available to edit it. So you see, this is basically text, so it is showing the effects that are that the text have. So next I'm going to search some other heading which can use to be represents the person's name. So once you choose some icons, it will come under your recently used one. So I'm using this design next. Cue the confetti. I'm changing the text. So you can choose this drop down. There will be variety of fonts that are available to you. In case if you have a certain font in mind, you can directly go and search that one. So we have nearing the end of the poster creation. So this makes a quick time, a short happy birthday poster. In case if you want to have the person's picture, you have a PNG or some other kind of thing, you can always paste them in that. So I will explain it to you in the next video, how you can put pictures from your PC and then you can use it in your design. So that is a very easy one. You can it will not take even 5 minutes. I can make a next video on that. It will be very helpful. So in order to give some little overlay effect, I am choosing one item from the elements. I am choosing a shape and I am just reducing the transparency, so it will give a nice look. So the person's name will be highlighted. So you can always change and play around with Canva. It is a very easy as well as a very intuitive kind of UI they are having. I personally recommend you to use Canva with the PC. The PC version is the best. You can always try. So to download, click on the download icon. So once the download, you click on download, you will be shown with multiple options. Just select JPG and click download. So it will take some time to prepare your design based upon the things that you've added. And once it is done, it will prompt you to save. So my design is downloaded. So when I click on that one, it is opening. So I'll zoom it and show you how clarity that image is. So you can see I'll zoom it. As well as you can see this is the next video and I'll show you how to make this YouTube thumbnail. And thanks for subscribing.